All right, innovators, buckle up. Today I'm diving into how 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing like never before. Imagine a world where you can create anything you need whenever you need it. Well, that's not science fiction anymore. It's happening right now with 3D printing. First off, let's talk about speed. Traditional manufacturing can take weeks or even months to go from concept to prototype, but with 3D printing, you can design and print a prototype in a matter of hours. That means faster innovation and quicker time to market. Think about the possibilities. Rapid prototyping means you can test, tweak, and perfect your designs in record time. Next up, customization. One size fits all? Not anymore. 3D printing allows for unparalleled customization. Need a part that's just a little different than the standard? No problem, just tweak the design and print. This is a game changer for industries like healthcare, where customized prosthetics and implants are becoming the norm. And let's not forget about cost. Traditional manufacturing often requires expensive molds and tooling, but 3D printing eliminates these upfront costs. You only use the material you need, which means less waste and lower production costs. For small businesses and startups, this is a huge advantage. One of the most exciting aspects is the democratization of manufacturing. With 3D printers becoming more affordable and accessible, anyone can become a manufacturer. Have a great idea? You don't need a massive factory, just a 3D printer and some creativity. Let's look at some real-world examples. Companies like SpaceX and Boeing are already using 3D printing to create complex parts that are lighter and stronger than traditional components. In the medical field, 3D printing is used to create custom-fit dental implants, hearing aids, and even bioprinted organs. This technology is not just changing industries, it's changing lives. So, what does the future hold? As 3D printing technology continues to advance, the possibilities are endless. We're talking about on-demand manufacturing, reduced supply chain dependency, and a new era of innovation. The future is here. It's being printed one layer at a time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button, subscribe for more innovative content, and let me know in the comments how you think 3D printing will shape the future. Stay curious and keep innovating.